Everybody, this is Gary, Die Sport Classics. Man, today we are in a 2001 Porsche 996 factory Aero car. You know, if you look in the auction site here at PCARMARKET today, you'll see the build sheet on this car. And it's very, rare to find a car that came from the factory. There was a lot of Aerokits, factory Aerokits that were installed at the dealer. But this being a real XAA Aero Cup car makes it just incredibly, rare. As you can read in the auction, it's got a newly refreshed engine, IMS, new air oil separator. All of that has been addressed. Air conditioned, blows cold, no codes or anything on here, and the car is just running out great. So we'll take it on a little spin here and let you see how everything shifts. Clutch is good. The car is just very tight. It's got 105,000 miles on the chassis. But this engine that was refreshed before the car that it was in was involved in an incident that rendered the rest of that chassis, unusable. I think it flipped over. But this engine, came out of that car, had just been done up in Bluffton, South Carolina, with Patrick and those guys at Flat Edge that did just an amazing job on this engine. A lot of updates, and you kind of don't know what you get. But when we dropped the engine out of that car, dropped the engine out of this car, this engine had a cracked head, and it looks like this engine probably at one point had a cracked head as well. But then that's what was addressed, and they went ahead and redid, everything on the car from a timing and a intake, IMS, air oil separator. You can see it in the receipt. But this car is done and ready to go for a long time. So I'll be quiet, just let you hear the car go down the road. Across the railroad tracks, beautiful and tight, no real rattles. Blinkers work. Hazards work. Alright. Let's give us a little acceleration here. Car pulls the red line easily. Has just a perfect sound with the Gundo hack. It still has that factory quiet, but when you're outside, cold start, the car sounds good, but it's not too loud. But certainly, if you want us to put a Fab Speed exhaust on it, once you buy the car and it's yours, we'll do whatever you want us to do to it at Die Sport to make the car yours. But it's just such a highly optioned car. If I kept the car, I've got an Aero car, 99, that I've spent a bunch of money on. It has got everything to make it track and street prepared. So there's just no reason for me to have two Aero cars right now, and we're going to share it with the enthusiasts across the world, and allow this car to end up in another set of hands to be enjoyed and driven regularly as it's designed and loves to be done. So, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear, fifth, fourth, third, second. No grinding. Everything is smooth. Clutch is good. Everything engages great. Just a great all-around car.